Why to buy kitchen curtains by us? Welcome to the Blackout Curtain Store Dubai. Looking to upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank? You're in the right place today. We're going to tell you why our kitchen curtains are the perfect match for your home. Stylish, affordable, and made for Dubai's heat. Section 1. Why kitchen curtains matter. Kitchens are more than just cooking spaces. They're the heart of your home. But have you ever thought about how curtains can completely change their look and feel? Our kitchen curtains do more than decorate. They block out heat, give you privacy, let in the perfect amount of sunlight, and yes, they keep your kitchen cool, clean, and classy. Section 2. Types of curtains we offer. Let's talk options. Café curtains. Perfect for letting in light while keeping some privacy. They're short, stylish, and great for small windows. Light filtering curtains. Want a bright and airy kitchen? These sheer curtains soften the sunlight and make your kitchen feel open and fresh. Blackout curtains. Need to block out Dubai's strong sunlight? These heavy-duty curtains are your go-to, great for kitchen doors too. Plus, we have all kinds of modern fabrics and printed designs to match any kitchen style, from traditional to trendy. Why choose us? Here's what makes us different. 20% discount on all orders. Free samples to help you choose the right fabric. Fast delivery and expert installation across Dubai. Custom sizes and smart accessories, like motorized tracks and decorative tea bags. Heat-resistant, easy-to-clean fabrics that improve hygiene and keep dust, germs, and allergens out. We've helped hundreds of happy customers, with over 740 Google reviews backing our promise of quality and service. Click the link below to get your free quote, enjoy exclusive discounts, and book your free installation today. Your dream kitchen is just one curtain away, only at Blackout Curtain Store Dubai. Call us now or WhatsApp, and let's upgrade your kitchen in style.